Hey guys, it's another video today, and I'm gonna be showing you how to get to the credits of Animal Company or to get company coins easier. And I'm alone on this adventure. So basically, all you need is just you need a rocket. You need just 2 rockets, I think, and you need this umbrella. 2 rockets and an umbrella. Okay. So make sure you guys are following me. Okay. So you're gonna need to go to ski. Okay. Okay. I used to do it like the hard way, but you can just like walk up instead of like wasting your rocket going up to ski. Okay. Going up. Okay. Alright, we're finally up to ski. Alright. Let's go to ski, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Alright, Alright, so Alright, I don't think we need a second rocket, so let's do this. So we're just gonna need this to jump off. And get our umbrella. So you don't want to get too high because you might like get stuck on like invisible barrier on top. So that's why like I'm just like undoing my umbrella and opening it again. And then okay. Alright, so now we're like down here. Alright, we're gonna jump off of there. Right. Alright, let's go. Yeah, so going up and then down. Okay. So about that, y'all. Okay. 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 Now we're gonna. People usually stop here, but we're not gonna stop here right now. Wait, you guys are stuck. All right. Coming down over here. Alright, I'm sorry that I keep looking back because I'm scared that you guys will get stuck in the ground. Okay, since we're finally here, you're gonna see that over there. You guys can just climb up there, but I'm gonna use my rocket to get up there. Okay. Shoot. Okay. Umbrella. We were Okay. Get up here. Okay. Over here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go up here. And then this is what the whole thing is about. So we go over here. So if you can't find it, you're gonna see this like big water tower. That's when you're gonna know that you're going the right way. So go get under here. I might have to pull y'all for this because I don't want you to to fall. Alright, we don't go over there. Go in this corner, guys. Let me put this on my back. Let's go, guys. Oh, shoot. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Okay. Alright. So, alright, get under here. Alright, we did it. Okay. Alright, we're gonna see that over there. That purple. Alright. I don't have a rocket, so this might be hard. Jump. Okay. Alright, just keep holding your umbrella until you get there. Okay. And you are here. And you're here. So anything that you touch, you get penny coins. And that's the tutorial how to get to the credits of the ammo company.